What are those? Ooh, so yummy. Hi, my kitty. You wanna help? You wanna help mommy? Hmm? Do you? My black cat is over here. She wants to help. You wanna help? Huh? You wanna help? Do you wanna help, my stinky butt? Yeah, you can come and help. Yes, you can. Yes, you can, baby butt. Huh? You're my baby butt. Are you my baby butt? Huh? Are you my baby butt? Come here and help me. Come here and help me. Hmm? You want some berries? Do you want some berries? Oh my God, there's a lot over there. Look at that. I wish I can get through there. But this thing, oh my God, I can't get through there. Oh my Lord, there's a lot over there. Huh. And there is more. They're so big and so sweet. At this, huh? Oh my goodness. Look at that. And there's more over there. Oh my. Sweet, sweet, sweet blackberries. Oops, I just dropped some. My Ziploc is almost full. Got these big ones. Oh my God, it's so sweet. Oh my Lord, there's a lot. This is really good. Look at this. Mmm. Oh, sweetie, sweetie. God, there's a lot in here. I'm gonna fill this bucket. Oh, talking. Have you come today here?
Mm-hmm.
Did you come here today?
The other day I did and saw all these, so that's why I made a trail up here. Figured Friday would be a good day to come up here and pick these.
Next Friday?
This Friday.
It's already Sunday.
I know. You got all them ones there. I see a bunch going through. You come on, come from
I want to go to the other one. Holy cow, there's a lot.
It's not getting if they don't have long pants on.
That's why I'm wearing my long pants. And I don't have a bra. Picking berries with no bra. How's that sound? Sounds delicious.
Picking birds, no underwear.
Seriously, I don't have a bra on.
Ouch! Damn it.
I was scared it can't see me anyway. Week, week, week. Baking berries with my husband. 2021. Hold on, I'm gonna get my bucket. There they are. The big one are mine and the small one are from my husband. And let's go home and make some jelly. Hey guys! What's up? I'm here now in the kitchen. We're gonna wash these berries. Where's yours, madam? This is what we got today, and this one is from yesterday that I got. So we're gonna wash it first. We're gonna make some jelly. Look at that. There's a lot in here. Where's yours? Give me that bucket. Yours is just... That's it? Look at this. And next we're gonna clean the jars. My husband is cleaning it right now. So now we're gonna put this in the oven to sterilize them with 250 degrees. And we got the lid. Turn this on. Now let's mash them up. Come on, kitty. So we don't have the smusher, and we're using the
canning jar.
Canning jar. We're doing this the old-fashioned way, back in the 1800. We're gonna measure it
It's one.
One.
Need a spoon? Let's say we'll call that two.
Two. So now we're gonna put some sugar.
Put some heat to that.
There was 3 of them. That's not a cup. How many is it in there? 15.
2 cups.
2 cups. So we have 6 cups.
6 cups.
6 cups, and then we have to put 6 cups of sugar. Now we're gonna stir it, cook it for 30 minutes.
I'll tell you right now, we're not gonna have enough jars.
We don't have enough jars.
No.
We might have to use the other ones.
I got one more container of them jars.
Okay, go get it, Timala. I think that's already sterilized down there.
No, just leave them until we're ready for them.
Okay.
Let it cook so we can have a nice even
Give it a stick.
It should be any minute now.
We'll give it till 9. We'll give it another 6 minutes.
Okay.
All right.
Maybe more 6 minutes.
Packaged. Looks like she's done. We'll see what happens.
Now ready to put it in a jar. We have a lot. It's good for a year. Ta-da! We're done. It's kind of hot. Got all this little jar. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.